Guys, welcome back to the channel. I needed to make this video because I've been using this company's products for a while now, and like I don't think it's heard enough on the internet. So I need to talk about this controller I've been using by PowerA. I don't know if my camera's gonna focus on that at all. Controller by PowerA Advantage Wired Controller for the Xbox Series X and X. So the most modern day consoles this is now designed for. I had the original PowerA enhanced controller for my Xbox and my PC that I've been using, my old Xbox and my old PC that I've been using for a while. Nothing's wrong with it necessarily. I just had like some squeakiness in the right trigger on the controller, so I decided to get a new one, new design, something more modern for the modern day consoles, and obviously something that's USB-C and not micro USB because that's kind of outdated at this point. Anyway, I wanted to just talk about this company in particular because of the controllers that they make. These are so high quality and they're so affordable compared to standard Xbox controllers made by Microsoft out there. In order to buy a Microsoft Xbox controller for the new gen consoles that also works, that also has paddles and like trigger locks and stuff like that, you need to buy their I forget their advanced controller. I'm blanking on the name of it. But anyway, you need to buy that one, which is like well over $100. It's high quality, don't get me wrong, but like for the average consumer, like who cares? Like if I have it on a budget controller and it has a sick design that you can choose from, a bunch of different design languages as well. I went for this one because it has this smiley face on it, and I also liked the sort of bluish and pinkish color tones here. Kind of matches Fortnite a little bit, but we have basically your standard Xbox layout with some grip texture on the back, a little bit, nothing crazy, with the colored buttons, with the attention to detail, even the inside of the thumbsticks is color toned as well, or color matching. We have a standard traditional D-pad. We even have a microphone jack on the bottom, which should be improved from the last generation, as there were some complaints about microphone quality. Didn't really depend on what microphone you had, it just kind of lowered the quality. I don't know if it was like the proper amp or something in here, I'm not really sure. But anyway, we have standard buttons on the top, but the real winner here, the real kicker, are these buttons on the back. We have dual buttons here, which you can map using this button right here. Essentially just hold this down. It's not gonna work because I don't have it plugged in. You hold this down for like 3 seconds. You click any button that you want on the controller, and then you click whatever button you want, basically sending a signal to the controller saying, I wanna map that button that I clicked, say B, and I want it to map it to this one here. You click that, and it'll just be mapped like permanently from then on out. And you can change it whenever you want. When I say permanently, I mean, it's not gonna reset every time you turn your Xbox on. So we have these amazing buttons on the back, super clicky as you can see here. We also have trigger locks on here, which is, like I said, only on the like most expensive Xbox controller from Microsoft. Has 3 different levels of travel. The first one being the most amount of travel. But if you're into like first person shooters and you really wanna improve your speed at which, I don't know, you're clicking the trigger and firing the weapon in the game, you can lower it to like the max level by pushing it outwards like this, and now essentially it's only going to move a little bit and it's going to trigger the trigger in the game, if that makes any sense. So most minimal amount of travel there. Clicky buttons all around, super high premium. We even have the share button for the newer gen Xboxes as well. So it's basically like your it's basically like your standard Xbox controller. It's just so much cheaper. Right now you can find these controllers for only $38. You can find them at Walmart, Target, GameStop, Amazon. So they're available everywhere. So I just don't see any reason to actually go out and purchase a standard Microsoft controller, unless you want like the most premium controller ever, which you're gonna have to pay like over $100 for, which I don't think is worth it. You just go get this. What's the downside to this controller? Honestly, if I were to actually pick a downside with this one, It would most likely be the fact that it's wired. That's not always a downside because it's going to reduce input lag. The only downside there is essentially you're going to be tied to a wire. It's extremely long, so if you're sitting on a couch using your Xbox with your TV, it's going to be fine. I think it's 6 feet in length, almost exactly. So it's a long cable. So yeah, if you hate cables, obviously don't get this. If you really want something wireless, go pick something else. But if you can deal with the wire, I think it's fine. Just like, look at this design, guys. Just look at this. Look how clean this looks with the smiley face. Audio jack on the bottom, exact same Xbox layout, clicky buttons. Even the buttons are color coded on this, which is absolutely insane. So I wanted to make this video because I'm passionate about PowerA's controllers. They make an even more advanced or even more premium one than this. Comes with a couple other features. I believe it's around $70 for that one. Can't remember every feature off the top of my head that it comes with, but this also comes with rumble motors on the inside as well. It's it's lightweight, clickiness, and yeah, good grip. So I'm rambling on at this point. Guys, go pick up this controller. I'll link it in the description on Amazon if you want to go pick it up. Love PowerA. PowerA, if you're watching this, I'd happy to review your other controllers because I love these products so much. This was not a sponsored video by no means. I paid for this controller with my own money. Not sent out the product at all from PowerA, just felt like I would talk about it. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified exactly when I upload future content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, Tech with Scott. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.